And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the series. I hope you learned a lot. I had a good time putting it together. It's very satisfying having this game working, especially it being deployed and working properly. And the code turned out very well, I would say. And overall, though, I hope you guys gained maybe an appreciation of seeing, a full production-ready application being put together, as opposed to, a toy example project. And of course, that means that we have to do a lot more than just, React, because as you've seen in this series, React is only a part of it. It's only a view library. But on the other hand, to write idiomatic React, it's kind of opinionated about how you might go about interacting with it, by setting the state, by subscribing to your stores, by using action dispatchers and a unidirectional data flow. And that definitely does impact the way that we approach writing our applications that use React. But I think that's it. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed the series. I hope you learned a lot. And we'll see you later.